Are you tired of just tracking your money and want to actually take control of it? A personal budget is the single most powerful tool for managing your finances with confidence. And I've got something that will completely change the game for you. Introducing the ultimate dynamic personal budget for Google Sheets. This isn't just another boring spreadsheet. It's a smart, fully automated tool designed to help you proactively manage your income, expenses, and savings like never before. So, what makes this budget planner so different? First, it features Smart Income Allocation. This lets you easily plan and track exactly how every dollar you earn is distributed across all your spending and savings categories. No more guessing where your money went. Next, you get automated insights. The spreadsheet gives you a clear, structured breakdown of your budget performance for every single month and for the entire year. It does all the heavy lifting so you can see exactly how you're doing at a glance. And my favorite part, the interactive summary dashboard. This dashboard is auto-generated and instantly visualizes your financial trends with beautiful charts and graphs. You can see your income, spending habits, and savings progress in a way that's easy to understand and incredibly motivating. Unlike other templates where you need a new sheet for every month, this one is built for efficiency. You can store, review, and analyze all your past months and years with just 3 dynamic spreadsheets. This means you get a full financial history without any of the clutter. And don't worry if you're not a spreadsheet expert. This tool is designed for simplicity and flexibility. It's super easy to use and completely customizable to fit your personal budgeting needs, whatever they may be. Stop letting your finances control you. It's time to make smarter financial decisions and start building a secure future. Click the link in the comment box to download the Google Sheets Budget Planner and take full control of your money today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tools to help you master your finances.